Prime Minister Narendra Modi today expressed his pride as the Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra was inscribed in UNESCO's Memory of World Register. The Prime Minister said the inclusion of the two scriptures in UNESCO's Memory of World Register is a global recognition of the timeless wisdom and rich culture and a matter of pride for all Indians. Bhadrak police intercepted two pickup vans illegally transporting cattle and rescued 28 cows late last night. The pickup van carrying cattle was on its way from Tihidi to Gujidarda when police intercepted it. The police detained 3 suspects and started an investigation to determine more about the illegal smuggling of the cattle. Security forces in Sukma district of Chhattisgarh have achieved a significant breakthrough with 22 Maoists including 9 women surrendering today. The Maoists opting to come to the mainstream marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing effort to combat Maoism in Chhattisgarh and other parts of the country. Heavy rain accompanied by thunderstorms and gusty winds is likely to lash 3 districts of the state in the next 24 hours. India Meteorological Department issued an orange alert for the districts of Khordha, Cuttack and Dhenkanal. The IMD also predicted nor'westers to occur in parts of Odisha in the next 4 days. The Federal Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement and Removal Operations arrested a terrorist involved in attacks in Punjab, Harpreet Singh, in the US today. The FBI said that Harpreet Singh is linked to 2 international terrorist groups and entered the US illegally. Indian Navy officers Lieutenant Commander Dilna K and Lieutenant Commander Rupa A, currently on the Sagar Parikrama mission, have successfully crossed one of the most challenging sea routes in the world, the iconic Cape of Good Hope. Sailing aboard the Indian Navy's vessel INSV Tarini, the officers are on their return journey to India after completing the ambitious Vishwa Sagar Parikrama, a circumnavigation of the globe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid tribute to Guru Tegh Bahadur, the 9th Sikh Guru, on his birth anniversary, lauding his courage and selfless service. The Prime Minister said Guru Tegh Bahadurji's life epitomizes courage and compassionate service. Stating that the 9th Sikh Guru was unwavering in fighting injustice, the Prime Minister hoped the Guruji's teachings would continue to inspire all. The death toll from US overnight airstrikes on the Yemeni fuel port of Ras Isha has increased to 38, with 102 others wounded, Houthi run Al Masiha TV reported today, citing Houthi-controlled local health authorities. According to Al Masiha, the casualties include 5 paramedics who were killed upon arriving at the scene when the US military launched another wave of airstrikes on the port just minutes after the first on Thursday night.